This is a great toolkit to have around. These are high quality sockets. Milwaukee does a great job with their sockets, and I'll show you why. This does come with 2 adapters. You get your 1/4-inch adapter, and then this one's for like a screwdriver bit. It runs 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, and 19, your most common sizes if you're working with metric. It's got an extension right here, 6-inch extension, and then it's got this rotating head ratchet, which is honestly a game changer. It saves a ton of time. It gets you into spaces that a regular ratchet can't. What happens is if you're working in a tight spot, let's say you're in between something that you can only move the ratchet like that, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And you can hear I'm only getting a couple clicks. But if I've got the clearance, I can turn this thing vertical. Think about how much faster that get every job done if you were doing it like that. And it all goes in this nice little convenient carry case. I've actually managed to buy another one of these ratchets, and I put that in my go-to toolbox all day long. Nice thing about Milwaukee sockets, let me show you here. These have square sides to them, which is 2 advantages. One, you can actually put a box end wrench on the end of that if you don't have room for a ratchet and start using it that way because it's square. Nice thing about square also is that it's not round, so it doesn't roll around like a square socket would. You know, if you got something circular, it's going to roll all day. If you got something square and you're working under the hood of something, these actually wedge into spaces nicer. If you're, you know, on a lot of people use fenders for where they, fenders or hood rails for where they store sockets when they're working on something. These will not roll away on you. The circular ones will. Everybody knows that.